Ukubona imvula isina ngamandla ngowona mnqweno omkhulu abahlali balapha. Kodwa umonakalo uthi uze nokubavisa kabuhlungu. Inkampani uTransnet ishiyeke nomsebenzi onzima kakhulu wokulungisa uloliwe wayo.
A manganese train derailed at Mimosa Station in Kube on Sunday afternoon. Early indications that it was as a result of a washaway due to the heavy rains we've experienced in recent days. There have been no injuries reported. Transnet has dispatched a recovery team to clear the site and repair the damage.
Kufuphi njena lapha eAddo Elephant Park kuwe icingo.
We had quite a lot of damage to the park's Nyati section fence lines. Teams were working up until about 1 a.m. this morning to lift most of the fencing that had come down close to the Mimosa railway station. It could not yet be put back up as the ground was still too waterlogged. However, most affected sections were closed temporarily.
Kodwa amafama ona onwabile.
I mean, communities, people, everyone, we were very, very desperate for this rain. The rain that we've had since the beginning of November was absolutely welcome.
Siyamkela imvula kuba isiphathele at least ukuba sikwazi ukuba abantu bakuthi babe namanzi ngale festive season.
Abahlali balengingqi bathi sele ilithuba elidama lomenko kodwa ngenxa yemvula ethe yana kulempela veki idlulileyo liyaphuphuma. Kwindaba zeSABC ndingu-Andangqonji eAlisdale eMpuma Koloni.